Okay, quick directions on your homework and remembering. Please flip to the 4-3 remembering. What do I want you on? That was not convincing. We'll try again. 4-3 remembering. Which page?
4-3 remembering.
When they ask you to tell me what type of problem it is, you get to skip that part. So you can cross out the A, B, C, D, E. You still need to complete number 1 and number 2, but they're just plain old word problems. Capiche? Same for number 3. I'm not going to have you cross it out because some of you are going to like that to figure out what drawing to do. But I'm not as concerned about which type of problem it is. I'm more concerned that you understand how to solve.
Can you cross it out
Okay.
if you don't want to do it?
You do not need to do stretch your thinking today because we're shorter on time, so you may cross out number 7.
Cross out number 2.
So you've crossed out the A, B, C, D, E. You've crossed out number 7. That leaves you with only 6 problems there, and they're going to be easy peasy for you. And then turn to homework.
Homework?
And because this is what we ended with, I will help you with number 1. And then number 2 and 3 are going to be like what we just did. Okay? So numero uno. At Kyle's birthday party, he gave each of his 8 friends a bag. Each bag had 10 party favors. How many favors did Kyle give out altogether? Now, you either need to show me an equation, answer label, or if you follow the directions and you use a place value drawing, you don't have to show an equation, right? So if each bag has 10 party favors, and he gave them to 8 friends, how would I represent this with a place value drawing? Rylan? If each bag has 10 party favors, how would I draw that with a place value? Would it be a 1's dot, a 10 stick, hundreds, or thousands?
A 10.
A 10 stick. So each bag is worth a 10 stick. How many bags did he pass out, Keegan? So let's go ahead and represent that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many favors did Kyle give out altogether?
80 parties.
80
Flavors.
favors. Favors are just, party favors are like the little gifts that you give to your people who come. It's like asking for a favor, but instead you're saying like, oh, it was a favor that you came, thank you. For number 2 and 3, they go together. So I will help you get your drawing so that you can answer it. Who would like to read the second box for me? Braylon?
A farmer had 612 tomatoes. He put them in baskets of 100.
Good. We need to draw 612. So that's your first step. With a place value drawing, draw 612. Well, I just learned that I need to go down first on my 100 boxes or they get jankety. 612.
I did it!
So if he puts them in baskets of 100, when they want to know how many he filled completely, we can only count our hundreds. So how many full 100 baskets do we have? AKA, how many hundreds do we have in that place value drawing? Skylar? 6. So how many are filled completely? 6 baskets. Because we have 600. Those are the complete baskets.
But
When they want to know how many are left over, that's what doesn't fill an entire basket of 100. So how many tomatoes are left over that don't make a 100 basket, Hadley? Well, there's 3 symbols, but this one represents something other than a 1. So a 10 and 2 ones would be,
12.
you sound an awful lot like Gunnar instead of Hadley. That's bizarre. How many, Chica? 12. There's 12 tomatoes left over. They could not fill a 100 basket, right? So those are the leftovers. You're gonna do a problem exactly like that for 4 and 5. Since we went through this one together, I'm expecting you to do the rest of this page on your own. You have 10 minutes for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the back side. Good luck.